Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Hrithik Roshan can do anything to get awards. After the demise of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, many dark sides of the film industry have come forward, including nepotism. Recently, the veteran journalist has exposed the ugly and shocking truth about the award shows of the Indian film industry. The prominent journalist took names of few Bollywood biggies who threw tantrums to get an award or even bought awards. Writing for The Print, journalist Shekhar Gupta revealed some incidents when he faced the ugly side of Bollywood stars. He was the editor-in-chief and CEO of the Indian Express Group, which organized the annual Screen Awards of Bollywood industry. The journalist revealed that in 2007 Screen Awards, the movie Krish gained lots of nominations in several categories. Hrithik Roshan was awarded the Best Actor for his performance in the movie Krish, but the actor threw lots of tantrums. Well, the actor had a contract with the organizers of the award show that he would give a dance performance. The makers were giving him a lump sum amount of money for his performance in the award show. Well, while the show was running, the Greek god of Bollywood said that he would do the performance according to his contract. But the actor refused to accept the award, said he would never come on stage to accept his award in the Best Male Actor category. Hrithik said that he was getting enough recognition, but the award show organizers were not giving enough acclamation to his father, Rakesh Roshan. Hrithik added that it was his father's insult and he would not come on stage as long as Rakesh Roshan was given an award. Shekhar Gupta revealed another instance that happened with Karan Johar. During 2011 Screen Awards, Kejo threw tantrums. Karan Johar's movie My Name is Khan was released on that year, but the movie did not receive any nominations in the Screen Awards. This did not go down well with Karan and he called Shekhar Gupta just a few hours before the award show and pressurized him. Karan told Shekhar that if My Name is Khan didn't get an award, then SRK, who was supposed to present the show, would not show up. The makers were left in a great worry as all of these happened just a few hours before the event and the jury members wanted to be fair. Karan also threatened that his friends who are from the industry would boycott the show if My Name is Khan was not given any award. Later, the makers gave SRK the People's Choice Award for My Name is Khan to avoid all the problems. The journalist also said about Zoya Akhtar, who was very much offended when she heard that she was not getting the Best Director award. That year, the jury decided to give the Best Director award to the director of the movie Dirty Picture, Milan Luthria. All the cast and crew of Zoya's Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and Zoya even threw a party on the very day of the award show to ruin it. This is how Bollywood celebrities pressurize the makers of award shows for awards, and Shekhar Gupta had revealed all these. Share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.